I want to show you guys this fig tree. I planted it, I think, about 5 years ago. I fertilized it with a mixture of goat manure and chicken manure, composted. Not fresh chicken manure, that's too strong. Let it compost over the winter, and then right before spring, I fertilize it. And this is what you get when you do it that way. That is amazing. Look at that. This thing is just full of figs. Very healthy. I'll show you guys what I do, how I get more figs. Look at all those figs up there. This tree's full. I love figs. They're very good for you. See these? This is going to be a really nice harvest of figs, and the best part about it is I have another fig tree right over here. I actually have a total of 6 fig trees on the property. These are the 2 biggest. The way I get them though is I'm gonna take you down here and show you how I do it. I go here, I take one of the limbs from the fig tree, I bury it under the compost and the dirt. It's like pinning it to the ground, but using the weight of the dirt. It was much smaller when I did it, the limb, to hold it to the ground. If you'll do that to a fig tree, after a certain, say, give it a year, just let it grow, don't worry about it. And after it roots, because it will root that way, that's the easy way, you can cut it loose. So you can dig around that down there, and you can have you another fig tree. That's how I do it. This one is getting figs all over it too. It doesn't have as many as the other one, but it definitely has a lot of figs. It's huge. I planted these 2 at the same time.